Let's try to find the sine, cos and tan of all the special angles. So you make this table and then write the numbers from 0 to 4. Divide all the numbers by 4. And then take the square root of all the fractions. And now let's do the math. 0 over 4 is 0 and square root of 0 is also 0. So sine of 0 degrees is 0. Square root of 1 over 4. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. So sine 30 is 1 over 2. For 2 over 4, we know that it can be simplified as 1 over 2. And when you take the square root of 1 is 1 and square root of 2 would be written as root 2. So sine 45 is 1 over root 2. Next we have root 3 over 4. Square root of 3 would be written as root 3 and root of 4 is 2. 4 over 4 is 1 and square root of 1 is also 1. So sine 90 degrees is 1. Now we have sine of all the special angles. For cos, all we do is write the numbers backwards. So the values that we just obtained will be written in the reverse order. Cos of 0 degrees would be same as sine of 90, which is 1. Cos of 30 degrees would be same as sine of 60, which is root 3 over 2, and so on. So we have cos of all the special angles. Now let's look at tan. Tan is the ratio of sine and cos. Tan is equal to sine divided by cos. For tan of 0 degrees, it would be sine of 0 degrees divided by cos of 0 degrees, which is 0 divided by 1. 0 divided by 1 is 0, so tan of 0 degrees is 0. Tan of 30 would be half divided by root 2. If you remember division of fractions, the first fraction, half, stays as it is. The division becomes multiplication and the second fraction flips. Root 3 over 2 becomes 2 over root 3. When we multiply, 2 and 2 cancel out and we have 1 over root 3. So tan of 30 degrees is 1 over root 3. Next, tan 45 is 1 over root 2 divided by 1 over root 2. If you notice, they are both the same fractions and a number divided by itself is 1. So tan 45 degrees is 1. Tan of 60 is root 3 over 2 divided by half. We use the rules of division of fractions and 2 and 2 will cancel out again. We are left with root 3. So tan 60 is root 3. Tan 90 is 1 divided by 0. We know that any number divided by 0 is not defined or infinity. So tan of 90 degrees is not defined. And now you have all the values of your special angles for sine, cos and tan. There are three other trigonometric ratios, cosecant, secant and tangent, and we know that they are reciprocal. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. So if you have to find cosecant of 60 degrees, all we do is take the reciprocal of sine 60 degrees. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2, so cosecant 60 would be 2 over root 3. All you do is flip the fraction. Secant is the reciprocal of cos, so secant of 30 degrees would be 1 over cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 is root 3 over 2, so secant 30 would be 2 over root 3. We just flipped the fraction. And finally, cotangent is the reciprocal of tan. So cotangent of 60 degrees would be 1 over tan 60 degrees. Since tan 60 degrees is root 3, cotangent 60 degrees would be 1 over root 3. And this is how we find trigonometric ratios of all the special angles.